आज पहिली सिलेक्ट कमिटी मीटिंग आज held केली. Think the bill we can come. We need a reconsideration on certain issues, a discussion on things. Where आमचे members are our आमचो दोतोर कालुश, जीत, निलेश काब्राल, विजय आणि पहिली मीटिंग जाल्या. निलेश आज नाशिल्लो. But the rest of them we have deliberated on issues. Certain pointers which I, in view of the overall descriptions, other things have come forward. So पहिल्या मिटिंगेन सगळे इश्यूज जे डिस्कस जे जावंक जाय ते सगळ्या मेंबरांक इल्लें इन्फॉर्मेशन जाय आशिल्लें. So we have asked the concerned director and the secretary to ensure that everybody from the case, they wanted a case of the High Court 1 of 2007 based on which this bill came out. तांकां ती हिस्ट्री जाय आशिल्ली आनी हाव टू डू इट खबर आसपाक जाय आशिल्ली. ताजे खातीर कितें इन्फॉर्मेशन जाय ते पयल्या मिटिंगेन मेंबरांक पास करपाक लायला. सिमिलरली मेंबरांक सजेस्ट केल्लें आसा की सॉफ्ट कॉपी ऑफ द बिल वी वील शेअर विथ देम. दे कॅन पूट रिस्पेक्टिवली टू देअर पर्टिक्युलर पॉयंटर्स तांचे व्यू पॉयंट्स कितें आसा ते घालचे, which becomes easier for the Secretary Legislature to look at it along with the respective Department of Information and Publicity. So एक bill अशें जाय which will regulate, put things in perspective and ensure that if there is some people both ways, जे कोण बारीक लोक हाजे dependent आसा, need to be regulated. At the same time, these regulations will allow hoardings to be there where it is required, ताला काडचे म्हणून. Certain parts of panchayat, municipalities कितें आसा ते पळोवन घेतिल्लें आसा. So next meeting I think we'll be able to throw more light on it once the information and suggestions and inputs from respective members of this committee come in. All members have shared their viewpoints. We are just awaiting that to come through mail, which will be able to examine to the people and then talk more about it.
But what does the government feel? Does the government also feel that there has to be regularization as far as
It is high time. I mean, we are a tourism state. So भितर येता का लेफ्ट रायट ते सगळें चल्लां पळय तें, इट इज नॉट अ वेलकम स्टेप टू एनीबडी. तूं वच थंय बिर्याणीचो धाकटो बोर्ड, येदो व्हडलो आनी फ्री बियरीचो बोर्ड, तरेतरेचे नाका आशिल्ले होर्डिंग्स वीच डू नॉट वीच हॅम्पर टुरिजम ऑल्सो बिकम अ पार्ट ऑफ द डिस्कशन्स. सो टुरिजम स्टेट आसतकर वी नीड सर्टन थिंग्स पुट टुगेदर, रेग्युलेटेड, सायनेजीस जावं बाकीचे जावं, वी नीड सर्टन थिंग्स टू बी एड्रेस्ड. आनी ताज्या खातीर बील येवप खूब इम्पॉर्टंट. इन्फॉर्मेशन एंड पब्लिसिटी हॅज ऑलरेडी टेकन दीस पार्ट ऑन देअर सायड वीच दे वील डू इट. आनी ताज्या खातीर जी सिलेक्ट कमिटी अपॉयंट केल्ली आसा मुख्यमंत्र्यान थ्रू द स्पीकर इन द असेंब्ली, ती म्हाका दिसता वील नीड टू एन्श्योर दॅट वी डू जस्टीस, गेट थिंग्स टुगेदर so that regulations are followed. At the same time, a lot of discussions will come from the members of the opposition also, which will need to deliberate and take the road ahead.
how many more meetings could be had by a
It all
finalization?
depends on the issues to be taken. आम्ही पहिली मीटिंग घेऊन we have opened the issue for discussion. आणि आता तुमकां सांगिल्ल्या we have asked for members to give the inputs. ते उलयले, भाशणां ठोकली आणि गेले, तशें कांय जायना ते. We'll have to ensure that paper work is done. Paper black and white is what government works on. And the black and white तांणी दिलें की ताजेर मागीर deliberations करपाचे, which will be the next meeting. The date which will be given once we get inputs from them. तांकां सांगलां within a fortnight to submit. And we have also asked the departmental officials who are present to again visit the areas where they have raised concerns.
Thank you.